recently topped the charts with Paradise Plum. Naomi Cowan tells us more.
You never put up a fight, no. Paradise Plum. Just know me like we knew we never had to say a word, not to show silence.
Paradise Plum, big hit for you. Did you expect the song to have been a hit as it became?
Well, everybody on my team did. So when I first demoed the song, there's a few key people that I will send my music to when I'm working on it, and definitely everybody was like, no man, you find it, this are the one. And they're like, put it out now. And there was this whole like thing about this song called Paradise Plum, you know. So based on the feedback even from my parents and just different people in music that had heard it, they all said, you find it.
You never put up a fight, no. You just know me like we knew we never had to say a word, not to show silence. You, baby, you never put up a fight, no.
Yeah, man, so my next single, I'm releasing it in January, actually, and it's called So Right, produced by Jamie Rodigan. He's David Rodigan's son, so big up Jamie. You know, I wanted to, we met on Instagram, and I was like, it would be cool if I worked with another child of the music, right? So that's gonna be awesome. And you know, this week I go back to New York to do some more promotions for Paradise Plum. I have a performance in Brooklyn at a show called Hold Tight. It's more like a little dance in a bar called Lovers Rock in Brooklyn. So gonna be more of an intimate setting. So I'm looking forward to that as well, and doing some press and PR up there as well.
I don't wanna fight. You never put up a fight. I don't wanna fight. Just know me like homie. Say a word, not to sound silent.
Be Strong is the new music video from Ratagon. Let's check it out.
In these desolate places, you got to be strong. Watch this. Them say money are the root of evil, but a separation. Hear me now. Careful in the streets, criminals and police, them are one. Hear this. Two roads to choose, one thing twice before you make your decision. Watch it now, give thanks for this. Pretty sun, the moon, the pretty star. I know frightened for the most, not the pretty car. Oh, mankind so evil and get so tricky star. You have to be careful how you trotting on the city star. Because them heart never ounce of love. Wrong place, wrong time, man, you out of love. And if them pop it off, you better open for your side stuff. Cause vampire no play when them want blood. Them a thugs, stay strap and them can't spell slug. No a big 45, them a sport in a club. Sometimes I wonder if the world's on drugs. Senseless killing, that is so unjust. Rastafari know that is so not us. The youths lost their ways like they unconscious. Brother killing brother just to be the done first. Wanna kill the other straight in my bad man first. And that's why in these desolate places you got to be strong. Watch this. Them say money are the root of evil, but a separation. Hear me now. Careful in the streets, criminals and police, them are one. Hear this. Two roads to choose, one thing twice before you make a decision. Watch it now. In a life you have to skillful like MacGyver when I...
Details about Magnum explosion and more when we return.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some Galapar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place crackle. Now we turn up in a stack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.